Hello my dear students. Now we'll go for the second part of Kirchhoff's law and application, so called the Wheatstone bridge. It is written here, you see, Wheatstone bridge. Wheatstone is a scientist, Gahamanwe. Wheatstone is a scientist. Bridge, I think you have seen the bridge in the road. Whenever there is a disconnections in the road due to water flooded, we can have a bridge. What is the function of a bridge? Bridge connects one point to another. That's why this is an arrangement actually. Wheatstone bridge depends on Kirchhoff's laws, first law and second law, by which you can find out the resistance of an unknown wire. Say you will be given certain conductor or certain materials or certain wire, and you will find out the resistance. It's a very basic aim in electricity to get the resistance of any type of conductor. So this is a Wheatstone bridge and this is the bridge arrangement. And here, so heading is given here, you see, heading is not given in that way, that is left for the calculations. Now here, say this constitute 4 resistances. You may ask me, why should you take the 4 resistances? I have not taken. Wheatstone is a scientist, gave an electrical arrangement for practical purpose in which we can find out the unknown resistance of a wire. Okay? So we can get the unknown resistance of a wire. This is the electrical arrangement which constitute 4 resistances, say P, Q, R and S in 4 different arms of the bridge. Now, to the point B to the point D, a galvanometer is connected, and this galvanometer is an instrument which is used to measure electric current. Again you see, galvanometer is an instrument which you will read in the next chapter, you have read in school, an instrument. It may be a voltmeter, it may be an ammeter which measures the electric current. Current मापिवा ପାଇଁ ସେଟା ଦରକାର ନା ଦେଖିବ କେମିତି ମୁଁ କହିବି current ଅଛି ତମ ଘରେ current ଅଛି ଲାଇଟ୍ ଜଳୁଛି ଲାଇଟ୍ ନାହିଁ current ନାହିଁ ପ୍ଲଗ ରେ ହାତ ପୁରେକି ଦେଖିବ current ଅଛି no, there is an instrument by which you can see the deflections, you can see the galvanometer. The resistance of the galvanometer is G, and this is key K2, this is K1, this is a switch key KEY switch. When you close the switch, you can get the current in the circuit. If you open the switch, you can never get any current in this circuit. So this is the arrangement of 4 resistances and galvanometer in a circuit called as Wheatstone bridge arrangement. I can never change it. Wheatstone has made this type of arrangement. Now, how to find out the resistance? First, we should find out the balance condition as you have applied in capacitor. So we will prove this bridge will be balanced when no current flows through the galvanometer. We will arrange in such a fashion this bridge in practicals also. There will be no current in the galvanometer, means if you have any current across this one due to this flow battery across this, then let the current is Ig, then this Ig will be equal to 0. That means if current across this branch is equal to 0, means these 2 points are same potential. We have already told you, whenever there is no potential difference, current can never flow. I think you do remember this. ଯେତେବେଳେ ବୁଝିଛ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦୁଇଟା ପଏଣ୍ଟରେ ପୋଟେନ୍ସିଆଲ ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ହେବନି ସେତେବେଳେ କରେଣ୍ଟ ଫ୍ଲୋ କରିବନି. Current will flow whenever there is a potential difference. That's why whenever there will be no current across this, we will arrange this. एମିତି arrange କରିବା ଆମେ. ଯେତେବେଳେ no current will flow across this galvanometer current becomes 0. That's why it is connected here to measure it. 0 ଦେଖିବା ତାକୁ null deflection, null, N-U-L-L-A word use ହେବ practically. So in that condition, the potential at these 2 points will be equal to 0. You may ask me, how can you make it? I will make it now. Under what condition? There will be no current across this, and if I is equal to 0, that is called as balance condition of the bridge. Now let me apply first the Kirchhoff's current law. As I have told you, you needn't know the current law. Simply without knowing, you can distribute the current. Let the current in the circuit is I. Current plus is this, current is flowing across this. Now what happens at this junction? There are 2 paths. Current is just like the flow of water. When it moves in a one path and there is a distributions, you can get some current across this branch. Also you can get the current across this branch. Let the current across this branch is I1. Automatically current across this branch, you remember, you should know this principle. Not memorizing this, no question of memorizing this fact. To current I in the circuit, say I am taking current I in the circuit. When it reaches here, there are 2 arms. Some current will flow across this. I am taking the current as I1. That's a remaining current will flow across this. It's very obvious. Now come to this junction. एमती जीव ठीक से गोटे गोटे पाथ रे जीव याडे सियाडे बुलिबनी. So here you come to this point. I am taken current through the galvanometer is Ig. Let there is a current. Then what happens here? The remaining current out of I1 minus Ig. You will see how simple this long question is. I1 current एपटे जाउची एठी दीटा पुनी रास्ता है गला दीटा रास्ता. Some current will flow across this. We can adjust this one. Ig is the current across the galvanometer. I have taken Ig because galvanometer. That's why I am taking the suffix G. So remaining current I1 minus Ig will flow across this. Again you come to this point. Now see, some current is coming across this one. Kete I minus I1. So the current Ig is coming across this and they will meet at this point. Then there is only one path to come to this point. So here they will flow across this one. This current coming from point B, current coming from point A, mixed at the junction, as I have told you, junction love, chakka jemti chakka, gote Biju Patnaik chakkaru asibo, gote Chandi chakkaru asibo, Kannika chakkare misibo. मिसिकी पुणी कौन चंडी छक जीव पुणी तमें अन्य जो रोड अच्छी रोड रे जीव. सो दिस इज द पाथ आई केते हम बेटा आई माइनस I1 प्लस व्हाट इज Ig. I think you are able to follow this one. See, I minus I1 current is coming across this. Ig is the current coming across this one. So these two current will mix together, will come across this one, and see the interesting result now. Now here this is the point C. A C रे को current आसीबो I1 minus Ig coming from point B. I minus I1 plus Ig coming from point D. They are mixing at the point, meeting at this point. Add these two please. I1 minus Ig plus this one. I1 plus I1 minus cancels out. Ig minus Ig plus cancels out. Then see the interesting result. The I current is coming. So total current entering ये जो देखु यहीटा ब्रिज ये सब कनेक्शन बैटरीटा लगे आउ कि एटा ब्रिज ए 2 3 4. So here current I is entering the bridge, current I is leaving the bridge. I think this is a very simple principle to understand. Again I am summarizing in one sentence. Current at this point divided into two branches. I1 is flowing across this, remaining current will flow across this. At this point out of I1, Ig is flowing across this, so I1 minus I is flowing across this. At this point the current I minus I1 and Ig are meeting at this point, they are moving across this, and at this point these two currents are meeting. You see, if you add these two you will get total current. That is the way by which you can distribute the current. Now I am writing the principle, you see. Now the Wheatstone bridge is balanced, you should remember. Wheatstone balance bridge kale jete bele no current will flow across this, eta possible kete bele potential VB equal to VB is equal to VD. Eti potential ja eti potential hele no current will flow across this. That's why galvanometer is connected. Galvanometer resistance is G. Now Ig into Ig is the current, G is the galvanometer resistance. This resistance is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S. Now this potential equal to this potential. This is no way applied in this derivation. That's why I am removing this one. Now balance condition is Ig is equal to 0, and this will be possible, remember, when this resistance by this resistance equals to this resistance by this resistance. To memorize this, we have given the name PQRS. P by Q is equal to R by S. Let me derive this one. Now here is loop 1 closed circuit, here is second circuit. Now I am applying the second law, KVL. The law tells that summation IR equals to 0. Summation current into voltage equal to 0 in this loop number 1. Now loop माने closed circuit. The first loop देखो, loop A B D. मु दुईटा इक्वेशन मात्र लिखिबी, से दुईटा इक्वेशंस को बुझी गले सब बुझी जीवो. Now see here loop A B D जे सब loop देखिया दरकार नहीं. loop माने closed circuit loop कहती. How many resistances are there? 1. ये galvanometer has itself a certain resistance G, and this resistance is R. Forget about the right hand side. Now I have written A B D loop. Loop माने circuit, closed circuit. Now one current into one resistance. Summation IR मु बाहर करची. One current into one resistance I1 into P. Second, आई जी इंटू जी ए गोटे बुझिले आरपटा बुझीज आई जी इंटू जी आउ गोटे अच्छी दिस रेजिस्टेंस तीन टा 1 2 3 राइट साइड बुली जाओ बिका क्लोज लूप है ए बी डी आई माइनस आई वन इंटू आर you will sum over this sum of IR voltage current into resistance. Now here you have to take one convention. This convention you should remember in the first Kirchhoff's law. I have given one convention that is a complicated circuit how to write this one, but now I am giving the simplest convention by which immediately you can write that equation where is the plus, where is the minus. See, now if you see this circuit A, B, D, say this I1 is clockwise, and बुलाओ हाथ clockwise, I1G is clockwise, एमती clockwise बुलुच देख एमती, but what happens to this one? बुलेला हाथ एमती, एटा केमती होची anti-clockwise. If these two currents are clockwise in this loop, this is anti-clockwise. That's why you have to take a convention. If clockwise current will be taken as positive, so anti-clockwise current should be taken as negative. The reverse convention is also permissible. उल्टा भी नहीं पार कन्वेंशन तो यहाँ गोटे है कन्वेंशन क्लॉकवाइज करंट को जब मुझे प्लस धरबी गोटे लूप रे आंटी क्लॉकवाइज को माइनस धरबी जब आंटी क्लॉकवाइज को प्लस धरबी क्लॉकवाइज को माइनस धरबी एटा इजी टू टेल क्लॉकवाइज इज पॉजिटिव आंटी क्लॉकवाइज नेगेटिव इट इज इजी टू टेल आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई लेट मी टेल I1P पॉजिटिव IGG पॉजिटिव बट व्हाट हैपेंस टू दिस करंट इट इज माइनस आई थिंक यू आर एबल टू फॉलो दिस वन राइट साइड 0. This is a law we have written, we have explained in the first video. I minus I1 into R is equal to 0. So this is the equation 1. Again go to the right hand side. This dita equation lekhijiye dabo tar long question se hi gala loop BCD. BCD setara left side bhuli jao second loop ta dekho. Second loop dekho ketara current achi first dekho se jo Q re achi I1 seti dekhu tha I1 minus IG current into resistance Q सेकेंड को आस ये गोटे अच्छी बड़े करेन्ट I माइनस I1 प्लस IG इंटू केते हम S आउ गोटे अच्छी 1 2 यहाँ लूप B C D यहीटा भी तादेह अच्छी I G इंटू G इज इक्वल टू 0 हम किंतु प्लस माइनस मुझे देनी सी दिस इज क्लॉकवाइज दिस इज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज बुझा पड़ी देख ये सर्किट भूली जाओ लेफ्ट सर्किट राइट टा देख सेकेंड टा ये लू बी सी डी सो बुलाऊँ हाथ दिस इज क्लॉकवाइज कारण यहाँ क्लॉकवाइज अच्छी करंट उल्टा अच्छी तो सो दिस इज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज एंड दिस इज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज सो दिस इज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज हाथ बुले देखिपारे एंटी क्लॉकवाइज किंतु यहाँ क्लॉकवाइज तेणु I1 प्लस IG टा यहाँ फर्स्ट टा क्लॉकवाइज सेकेंड दीटा एंटी क्लॉकवाइज माइनस एटा क्लॉकवाइज प्लस एटा एंटी क्लॉकवाइज माइनस एटा एंटी क्लॉकवाइज माइनस एटू ए दीटा माइनस साइन है सो दिस इज इक्वेशन 2 ओवर एतिक लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस हो जदि तुम यही दीटा इक्वेशंस बुझीब जदि दीटा इक्वेशन जे बुझीनी रिप्ले कर आउ थे देख 3 थर 4 थर मुझे कही सारे क्लॉकवाइज करंट को मुझे पॉजिटिव नौ आंटी क्लॉकवाइज करंट को नेगेटिव नौ फर्स्ट किर्चॉफ्स लॉ एप्लिकेशन जो मैं एक्सप्लेन कली दैट बिकम्स ए कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सर्किट ताकू जदि आनिक मुझे पकेबी द माइंड विल बी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सो इट इज अ वेरी इजी कन्वेंशन इन ए लूप क्लॉकवाइज करंट को प्लस धरनी आंटी क्लॉकवाइज करंट को माइनस धरनी एटा क्लॉकवाइज प्लस एटा आंटी क्लॉकवाइज माइनस एटा आंटी क्लॉकवाइज माइनस से माइनस माइनस साइन यूज कली नाउ अप्लाई दिस कंडीशन यू सी आउ 2 मिनट देख केमती लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो balance condition as per the Wheatstone when no current will flow across the galvanometer. Now Ig is equal to 0, so this factor becomes 0. बुझा पड़ला here you see this is 0, this factor is 0. एटा भी पूरा 0 Ig 0 माने एटा 0 एटी Ig 0 माने गोटे Ig 0 एटा माने Ig 0. सो Ig को 0 पुट कर Ig को 0 पुट कर रिराइट दिस इक्वेशन सी केते इजी लागिवो I1P एटा 0 हो जाइछि माइनस I माइनस I1 इंटू R इज इक्वल टू 0 बड़ा लगुछि आ एटा को लिखिबा I1Q माइनस I माइनस I1 एटा तो Ig 0 हो जाइछि इंटू एस ये तो पूरा 0 हो जाइए इज इक्वल टू 0 एटा 3 एटा 4 देखु था इक्वेशन ठीक से लक्ष्य कर. सो दिस ए इक्वेशंस रु मैं आनी कौन पुट कर खाली आई जी 0 पुट कर किसी करनी मु तो दिस माइनस दिस इज इक्वल टू 0 दैट मीन्स दिस equals to this. I think you are able to follow this one. बुझा पड़ी देख दिस टर्म माइनस दिस टर्म इज इक्वल टू 0 दैट मीन्स द माइनस विल बी टेकन टू राइट हैंड साइड सो आई एम रिमूविंग दिस 0 सो आई एम राइटिंग दिस इक्वल टू दिस बुझा पड़ी बेटा बुझा पड़ी सो इफ इट इज वेरी इजी देन यू टेक द डिविजन ऑफ दिस टू इक्वेशंस दिस इज ए 3 4 थिला एटा 5 एटा 6 कर देली खाली एपट राइट साइड को नहीं जाइछि मु नाउ यू डिवाइड दिस टू सो I1 cancels out I minus I1 cancels out P by Q is equal to R by S एटा पूरा मन रखिकी पूरा P by R is equal to Q by S ये भी हो पारिबो P by Q is equal to R by S सब कैंसल हो गला और P डिवाइडेड बाय R इज इक्वल टू Q डिवाइडेड बाय S मैं एमती कहीं लिखली इक्वेशन को एठी मजा लगे देखिया को से अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस व्हीटस्टोन दिस ब्रिज विल बी बैलेंस्ड व्हेन these two are same potential no current will flow through this galvanometer this is called as null deflection you will do in practical you will adjust the resistances in such a manner you will give in some resistances adjustment you will adjust the resistance in such a manner that no current will flow through this galvanometer will show the zero deflection किछि करंट जीवनी सेते बेले कौन हम दिस बाय दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस बाय दिस मीन्स दिस बाय दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस बाय दिस से P बाय Q इज इक्वल टू R बाय S और दिस बाय दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस बाय दिस सो दिस इज द कंक्लूजन्स एंड एथर एग्जाम रे पड़ी थिला गोटे क्वेश्चंस वेरियस एग्जाम्स रे व्हाट हैपेंस if you take this battery to this galvanometer to this battery to this point किछि चेंज हेबनी ब्रिज यदि आम एटा को आम बाहर कर एका भाया दिशो कारण ये दुटा पॉइंट 0 होता है दुटा पॉइंट 0 हम so same thing again you will get the same thing because this by this equal to this by this also this by this is equal to this by this so if this is this we have told in case of capacitor in solving the numericals plenty of numericals we have solved in capacitors according to this principle though resistance series and parallel is withdrawn or deleted from the syllabus itself though you have read in school only formula are deleted applications are here plenty of applications here we'll see the series and parallel combination taking this arrangement into consideration in a nutshell in a short form you should remember this in the next class I will explain all the type of circuits under consideration as well as the practical applications and this bridge arrangement of 4 resistances is called as this bridge and the bridge is balanced when no current flows through this point called as a galvanometer and when this is possible when this resistance by this resistance equal to this resistance by this resistance जतले मनेकर एठी गोटे लगेई देबी 10 एटा गोटे लगेई देबी 20 एठी गोटे लगेई देबी 20 एठी गोटे लगेई देबी 40 पचारिबी कौन बाहर कर रेजिस्टेंस सेते बेले ए कंडीशन तुम अप्लाई करि परिबो 10 by 20 is equal to 20 by 40 so automatically bridge is balanced that's why now the explanation is over I am removing this one it has no use at all you can remove the from the circuit because this is possible when this by this is equal to this by this there will be no role of this branch because no current flows across this one जो रास्ता रे current जाउनी हला सेपटे आमको किछि दरकार भी नाही दैट इज ब्लॉक्ड वी कैन से गोटे रोड ब्लॉक अच्छी तुम जाई पारना से अनेब तुम सेमती पाठ पढ़ बुझी पारनी कौन कर अनेबनी आखि बुझीदेवनी 2-4 थर पढ़ 2-4 थर रिप्ले कर वीडियो देख एंड यू कैन गो details about this one and this is all about the Kirchhoff's law and application to Wheatstone bridge. In the next we will elaborate this one by certain number of applications. Thank you all.